We're here at the Foundry Art Centre with the Made at the Foundry art exhibit. This exhibit is a partnership between the Foundry Art Centre and MADE Makerspace on Delmar. MADE stands for Makers, Artists, Designers, and Entrepreneurs. As a makerspace, they have so many tools, from 3D printers to lathes to embroidery machines. Members come in, they use the tools, and they get to create in their metal shop, wood shop, etc. So it's a really cool space as a designer or maker to be a part of, and they have their own community. Knowing what they had over at MADE, there were so many similarities between the Foundry and MADE. We have our own artist studios upstairs, and so it just made sense to have a collaborative project like MADE at the Foundry. It was a lot of fun for our team to sit down and look through everything that they had and really showcase some amazing objects. As we laid out the exhibit, we started with the artists that are up in the studio spaces. So as you first walk into the exhibit, you'll see the plush upholstered wall sculptures of Emily L. Hoffer, and then we have some fine art paintings. We are also working with Magic House, which is at the top floor of MADE, and that is a really cool maker's space for kids. They even have classes throughout the year. And so we have a wall dedicated to Magic House that showcases some really cool art from the kids that participate at Magic House. And then as you walk through, we have wood-turned bowls, we have carpentry work showcased, we have quilts from their embroidery stations that they have, all the way through to the Grow Motion, which is a really cool wall-mounted garden that one of their entrepreneurs has invented, this grow system where this wall-mounted garden sits and this light kind of goes back and forth. So there's so many cool different things here, all the way down to the very end where there's the interactive area where we invite guests to write down what they would make at MADE if they were a member and put it on the wall so we can create this sharing of ideas. The Foundry Art Centre has a long history of engaging the community through the arts, and one of the ways that moving forward we are going to engage is through partnerships with other institutions, other art-centric institutions. Everything in here is made by people in our community, and not all of them are professional makers or artists, but everything in here is top-notch level crafted objects. So I hope that inspires people that they can leave this exhibit thinking, well, I could do that too, and really get that conversation going about what's possible if you have the right community. This exhibit is open until May 21st. For more information on this exhibit, please visit the foundryartcenter.org. And if you're interested, we have a mural unveiling on March 26th of 3 paintings by local artist Ido Rosenblith. And you can learn about that on our website as well.